Teary eyes and heavy hearts remembered every moment shared with brave martyr Colonel M.N. Rai on a day when his last rites are being held in the national capital. Rai, who lost his life fighting terrorists in South Kashmir's Pulwama on Tuesday, was awarded Yudh Seva Medal for the highest degree of distinguished service in a war or conflict on January 26, a day before his death. The army paid its last tributes and guard of honor to martyred Colonel Munindranath Rai today at the crematorium complex in Brar Square in Delhi cantonment. Army Chief General Dalbir Singh and other general officers also saluted the man. The officers, who had once trained with Rai, described his spirits to work in a team and how he used to treat his course mates in a brotherly manner.
एज अ कमांडिंग ऑफिसर अगर वही ऑपरेशन लीड कर रहा था तो आई थिंक हम किसी भी कोस्टमेट को इस बात से सरप्राइज नहीं है, बिकॉज ही नेवर बिलीव्ड इन दैट कि आज मैं कमांडिंग ऑफिसर हूँ तो क्या मुझे ऑपरेशन लीड करना चाहिए नहीं करना चाहिए. एंड आई थिंक दैट वाज ट्रू ब्रेव हार्ट एम एन राय.
Another course mate of Rai said he will be remembered not only for his bravery and dedication towards the nation, but also for his greatness in personal life.
We are proud of MN, all 64. I think we are so many of us. We all 64. We are proud of MN Rai. He has set a benchmark.
The 64 of you who have come.
Not 64. 64 is the course serial number. Yeah. So we are from SSC 64 course. So we were around 250 of us. और MN Rai ने एक एग्जाम्पल सेट किया है एंड आई थिंक वी ऑल आर प्राउड ऑफ हिम.
Rai's wife, two daughters, and son, who were present in Delhi for the moving tribute to the brave heart, were apparently inconsolable. However, his brother D.N. Rai, also an army officer, said his chest inflates with pride to call himself Colonel M.N. Rai's brother.
नहीं, रोल मॉडल वो उसका बड़प्पन था. रोल मॉडल नहीं, क्योंकि वो मैं मुझसे बेहतर था. मैं रोल मॉडल नहीं होता, मेरे से सीख के वो आगे चला गया.
After a fierce gun battle on Tuesday, the colonel offered two terrorists a chance to surrender, who were holed up in a house in a village 30 kilometers from Srinagar. The terrorists ran out of the house and opened fire, killing the army officer and a policeman.
गर्व भी होता है, दुख भी होता है, क्योंकि उसकी कमी हम लोग पूरी तरह से पूरा नहीं कर सकते. हम कोशिश केवल कर सकते हैं. तो कमी तो होती है, और गर्व इस बात के कि अमरत्व को प्राप्त किया है, तो गर्व अवश्य होगा.
Colonel Rai was the commanding officer of 42 Rashtriya Rifles and was known to lead from the front. When he was killed, his status on popular messaging service WhatsApp read, "Play your role in life with such passion that even after the curtains come down, the applause doesn't stop."
Powered by NNIS.